Hello, and welcome to this lesson on how to undo changes made by PC Matic. Sometimes after completing a PC Matic scan and clean, one of your programs might not work correctly, or you notice the computer is acting strange. To troubleshoot this issue, we can undo or reverse the changes made by a PC Matic scan. Now we do this by opening PC Matic. If it's not open already, we just double click the PC Matic icon, click Options, and then click Restore Settings. Each time a scan is completed, a log is kept, and to reverse the changes, we simply select the date of the scan and then click Restore. And then click OK. And once it's finished, we click OK again. After the restoration has been completed, and if you're still experiencing the same symptoms as before the restore, then the issue that you are experiencing was not caused by PC Matic. If this is the case, there is something else that we can try. Windows has a built-in feature called System Restore. Keep in mind, using this feature does not in any way affect your data on the hard drive, just the system files and settings. We can access this feature by pressing the Windows key and S, or by right-clicking the Start button and then clicking Search. And in the search box, we're going to type in rstrui.exe and click on the icon that appears. This will open up the System Restore window. Now, if you see this message, that means System Restore is not enabled and will not resolve the problem. What we can do is enable System Restore so that in case we need it in the future, it is available to us as an option. To do this, we click System Protection, select the C drive, and then click Configure. Click Turn on System Protection, and then we're going to set a maximum usage for the System Restore. It is not recommended that you set it for more than 10% of your hard drive space. And once that's completed, we click Apply and then OK. Now System Restore is enabled and we are able to access it in case we need it. If when you open System Restore and you get this screen, that means we're able to select a restore point. Windows will suggest a recommended restore point for you to choose from. But this is not always the best option. What we can do is click Choose a different restore point, and then click Next. Here you will see all of the available restore points that you can choose from. When choosing a restore point, we want to select a date before the problem started. If there is one here available, then we would select that date and then click Next. Once we see this screen, all we would need to do is click Finish to start the System Restore process. It is very important that you let the computer finish the System Restore uninterrupted. And hopefully that fixes your problem. And that ends our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video when we discuss how to allow a program through SuperShield.